Imagine for a moment that the key to unlocking incredible wealth, prosperity, and success has been sitting right in front of you all this time. Not a golden ticket, not an investment strategy, but a single word, one that holds within it the transformative power to align your life with abundance. If you're like many who are skeptical about the idea of manifesting wealth or practicing the law of attraction, you might think that this is just another new age fad. But what if this could really work for you? What if a few simple changes in the way you approach life could align your energy with the universe's infinite potential for prosperity? Today, we're going to explore the astonishing power of a single ancient word, a word that, when used correctly, could potentially open doors to unimaginable wealth and success. This word, hailing from one of the oldest languages on earth, has been revered for its ability to attune the energy of its speaker to the universe's natural flow of prosperity. But here's the catch: it's not enough to just say the word. The power lies in the intention, emotion, and energy you invest behind it. Stay with me as we delve into the true meaning of this word, and how you can incorporate it into your life for tangible. The power of words, how they shape our reality. At the heart of the concept of manifestation lies a profound and often overlooked truth: words are not merely sounds. They are energetic frequencies that interact with the fabric of the universe itself. Everything around us, including our thoughts, emotions, and yes, our words, vibrates at a particular frequency. These vibrations create ripples that influence the world around us. When we speak, we are not simply uttering sounds, we are broadcasting energy. A wave that has the potential to shape our reality. Spiritual leaders, mystics, and ancient traditions have long understood the power of language. The idea that words can influence our lives is not new. The law of attraction, which has gained significant popularity in modern spirituality, is built on the notion that the universe responds to the frequency of our thoughts, emotions, and words. When these elements align with the energy of our desires, we begin to attract those desires into our lives. Imagine, then, if there were a word, a single, ancient word, that carried such a powerful vibrational frequency that it could tune your entire being to the energy of abundance, wealth, and prosperity. What if speaking that word could align you with the flow of the universe's limitless potential? This is where the ancient language of Aramaic comes into play. Aramaic, once spoken by people in the Middle East during the time of Jesus, is considered by many spiritual scholars to be a language of profound vibrational power. Its words are believed to carry unique frequencies capable of affecting our physical reality in ways we are only beginning to understand. One particular word from this sacred language is said to have the ability to align our energies directly with the flow. Before we delve into how this word can be used, let's first explore the significance of Aramaic itself. Aramaic is not just any language, it is a sacred tool, a bridge between the material and spiritual worlds. Many believe that the ancient speakers of Aramaic had access to vibrational frequencies that allowed them to connect with higher planes of existence, energies that could influence the material world in extraordinary ways. The word we're going to focus on is Shalama. You may have heard this word before, as it is often used in spiritual or religious contexts. In its most basic translation, Shalama means peace. But here's the key, in the context of manifestation. Shalama is far more than just a word for tranquility. It represents something much deeper. It signifies complete harmony with the universe, a perfect alignment with its energy. Particularly the energy of abundance and prosperity. When you speak the word Shalama, especially with the right intention, you are tuning yourself to the frequency of abundance that exists in the universe. It's as if you are declaring, not just asking, that you are in full alignment with the flow of prosperity. This alignment, when maintained, has the potential to bring about tangible shifts in your life, drawing wealth and success to you in ways that may feel almost. While the word Shalama itself holds incredible vibrational potential, it is not enough to simply say it, you must speak it with intention and emotion. This is one of the biggest misunderstandings about the process of manifestation. People often repeat affirmations or mantras mechanically, without truly connecting with the deeper meaning or energy of the words. The magic lies not in the repetition, but in the intention and emotional charge you bring to the process. Words alone are empty vessels unless they are filled with intention. This is a core teaching of the law of attraction. Manifestation only occurs when your thoughts, words, and emotions are aligned with the frequency of what you desire. Simply speaking a word like Shalama without belief or emotion behind it will not unlock its true potential. Imagine you are in a state of financial struggle, feeling stressed, and overwhelmed by bills. If you say Shalama from a place of fear or lack, you are not aligning yourself with abundance. Instead, you are reinforcing your scarcity mindset. However, if you speak the word while visualizing a future where money flows easily to you, where you are financially free, you are aligning yourself with the energy of prosperity. This is where the true power lies, in feeling the energy of abundance as you speak the word, not just. Let's take a moment to explore how this powerful word can manifest real change in your life. Imagine someone who has been struggling with debt for years. Despite their best efforts, financial freedom seems elusive. But then, they begin to incorporate the word Shalama into their daily practice. They say it every morning, with deep intention, visualizing themselves debt-free, living in abundance. At first, nothing dramatic seems to happen. But as they continue to repeat the word day after day, something shifts inside them. Slowly, opportunities begin to open up. Perhaps they find a new source of income, an unexpected job offer, or even a promotion at work. Over time, their mindset shifts from one of scarcity to one of abundance. And because they are now vibrating at the frequency of prosperity, the universe responds in kind. The key to this transformation is consistency. Just like any other manifestation practice, repetition is crucial. The more you say Shalama, the deeper your connection to its energy becomes. It's not about waiting for a miracle to happen overnight. It's about slowly tuning your frequency to that of abundance. And the universe will begin to match that frequency with opportunities, experiences. How to use Shalama effectively. So, how can you effectively incorporate Shalama into your daily life to manifest wealth and abundance? 1. Repetition. Consistency is key in manifestation. Repeat the word Shalama every day. Whether you do this during meditation, while sitting in silence, or even while walking, The more you say it, the more deeply you connect to its vibrational energy. 2. Visualization. As you say Shalama, visualize yourself already living in abundance. Picture yourself debt-free, receiving unexpected financial windfalls, or living in your dream house. The clearer and more vivid your mental image, the stronger the impact on your manifestation. 3. Emotional connection. Don't just say the word, feel it deeply. Speak it from the heart, allowing the energy of abundance to fill your entire being. The more emotionally connected you are to the word, the more powerful your manifestation becomes. 4. Write it down. Another powerful practice is to write Shalama on a piece of paper and place it under your pillow before going to sleep. During sleep, your subconscious mind becomes more receptive, and this is a prime time for the word to work on a deeper level, aligning your energy with prosperity. 5. Create the right environment. For the word to have its full impact, you need to create the right space. Choose a quiet, peaceful location free from distractions. Relax your body and mind before speaking the word, so that your focus is fully on aligning with the energy. As powerful as the word Shalama is, it's essential to remember that manifestation is a gradual process. It requires patience and faith. Often, manifestation doesn't occur overnight. Instead, it's a process of slowly shifting your energy, your mindset, and your emotions until they align with the universe's flow of abundance. Over time, as you continue to practice saying Shalama, you will begin to see subtle changes in your life. New opportunities may arise. Your mindset may shift from one of scarcity to one of abundance. Unexpected financial windfalls or career advancements might occur. These changes may not always be dramatic, but they will be a reflection of the work you are doing internally, aligning your energy with the universe's natural flow of prosperity. In addition, the word Shalama not only helps you attract external wealth, but also transforms your internal mindset about abundance. When you align with the energy of prosperity, you begin to see wealth as a continuous flow, something that is always available to you. You will stop viewing money as a scarce resource and begin to feel truly deserving of all the abundance the universe. The word Shalama is a powerful tool for manifesting wealth, prosperity, and abundance, but it's not magic. It requires dedication, belief, and emotional connection. When used properly, it can completely transform your financial reality and open you up to a world of possibilities. Remember, manifestation is not about instant results. It's a journey that requires you to stay aligned with your desires, trust the process, and be patient. Over time, as you continue to speak Shalama with intention and emotion, you will begin to see real changes in your life. New doors will open, and your financial reality will shift in ways that you can't yet fully imagine. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video with those who might benefit from this transformative practice. Remember, your abundance journey begins with a single word: